Understanding the phrases, blue bag. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into a very common and simple phrase in English, blue bag. While it might seem basic, understanding such phrases can give you insights into how adjectives and nouns work together in English. Let's get started. Blue bag is a combination of two words, an adjective and a noun. Here's the breakdown. 1. Blue. This is an adjective, and its role is to describe or give more information about a noun. In this context, blue tells us about the color of the bag. 2. Bag. This is a noun, which refers to a common object used to hold or carry things. When you combine them, blue bag simply refers to a bag that is blue in color. In the English language, adjectives like blue are pivotal. They add richness to our descriptions and make our sentences more vivid. For instance, I bought a shirt versus I bought a blue shirt. She has a car versus she has a blue car. Notice how the addition of the word blue immediately paints a clearer picture in our minds. To help you further grasp the usage, let's look at a few examples with the phrase blue bag. 1. I packed my books in the blue bag. 2. Can you hand me that blue bag on the chair? 3. My blue bag is missing. Have you seen it? These examples show how blue bag can be a subject, object, or possessive in various sentences. So there you have it. The phrase blue bag is a straightforward representation of how English uses adjectives and nouns together. As you continue learning, you'll come across many such combinations. Remember, every little step counts in language learning. Hope this video has been helpful, and keep practicing.